And our Genesis, it's always been about resveratrol, but never just resveratrol. We also talk about ellagic acid. Our product is standardized for both resveratrol and ellagic acid. We have a total of 19 blended herbs in the Genesis. And resveratrol, which of course is one of the things that we've been hanging our hats on for this, one of the things that made Genesis the #1 selling product the world over, is the resveratrol, which is a natural compound that's found in grapes, mulberries, pomegranates, but especially red wine, because the fermentation of the wine concentrates and brings out the resveratrol. And that can protect against cancer and cardiovascular disease. It acts as an antioxidant. It's an anti-mutagen. It prevents DNA damage, and it's anti-inflammatory. We also provide you with ellagic acid. Ellagic acid has very strong anti-cancer properties. It causes apoptosis or cell death, and it acts as an antioxidant for the whole body. It helps the liver break down and remove cancer-causing substances from the blood. Recent research has suggested that anybody doing chemo or radiation therapy should be supplementing with ellagic acid to protect the liver from damage from those therapies. Of course, if they'd been taking this before, they might not have the problem. It can help prevent or treat cancer in humans. Ellagic acid has also been shown to help reduce heart disease, birth defects, liver problems. It promotes wound healing, and one study found that it could actually help pick up plaque or remove plaquing in the arteries. Some recent studies have also focused on its benefit for prostate cancer. So Genesis is made up of PhytoPure. This is our primary ingredient. PhytoPure is pomegranate, grape, apple, and aloe. This forms the base. And then to that, we have a secondary ingredient, which is our Genesis Herbal Blend. This is 15 scripturally based herbs which are put into the PhytoPure. Each of these has hundreds of active phytonutrients which yield thousands and thousands of active ingredients in this Genesis blend. The magic or the miracle molecules that we've always sold are the resveratrol and the ellagic acid. There are thousands of things, but you can't sell thousands of things. You have to focus on something. We focus on the resveratrol and the ellagic acid because of the tremendous amount of science that's been done on them. We also standardize the product. We know that both of these are present in the PhytoPure, but we go back in and add a standardized amount into each so that we can guarantee how much is in every single serving. Some companies will tell you that their product, they sell you antioxidants. Well, both of these are antioxidants, and we have thousands more. Some companies say they have glyconutrients. We get that from the aloe, plus we have the phytonutrients that we have in all of the other ingredients. Some companies say we have polysaccharides. Yes, we have polysaccharides plus the other antioxidants. Polyphenols. Yes, we have polyphenols. So it doesn't matter which group or classification of antioxidants or beneficial ingredients somebody was selling. We have that plus all the ones that they weren't selling. This is the herbal blend that we put in our Genesis. These are the 14 extra herbs that we add to this. And there are books written about, and many books written about wheatgrass or barley grass, or a lot of scientific research recently on cinnamon helping to control diabetes by a number of different ways. So each of these has been researched, and that's why it's been added to our Genesis herbal formula. However, we now go beyond resveratrol. One of the things that's always made me very proud to be associated with Symmetry is Rudy lets me never be done with the product. I'm always looking at things, and it's not just me. We have other members of our track team that are thinking and looking at things, and even members of our staff are always thinking about, well, gee, could you do this with the product, or could you do that? And we're always researching, looking for ways to make it better nutritionally, or even better ways to manufacture something. And now we are going beyond resveratrol. We are introducing Genesis with Extranol 24.